Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka Net Foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
U Ashwin Ajit Nagajala Kerala ulalong unong job ban yok Korea ka khusnam daga song pisa ka ba lailak khat sawajar news patengka haga Fantasy Premier League bala penyai daga kunhon Level Up Sports and Entertainment Shillong. Kat baki wei pat kinong job ki kentup yo Darren Matthew na Meghalaya ubala poi haga kerdan ka ba ar ubala yok Korea ka song pisa ka ba shilak san punyo hajar lai spa san potengka Bat o Hinoto Achumi na Gajala Nagaland ubala poi haka kerdan ka balai ubala yok Korea ka song pisa ka ba henrifu arajar kendai spa saupo tengka kani kadai ka sin ka ba ar bala penlong ya kani ka jingsam kusnam hagi henrius nem bala penlong ya kani ka league haga jingsam ya kani ka kusnam la sakhi lang do MLA jong ka pentor umkra constituency uba AL hek rengkat ka jingedon lang jong uba Daniel Jerwa utrai jong ka The Computer Store bat uba Ivan Doling unang yelek kai jong FC Goa ka Level Up Sports and Entertainment kala penbena ba shen ka sa play na kabanta ka registration ya ka samoy ka batmai lengba ki online portal ki jongki.
As you all know, football here in the state it's a passion for everyone. Like, you know, everyone loves football, so I'm very happy to see, like, you know, the champion, the runners up, and the third to get part of this fantasy as well. So it's good. Just keep being here, because football nowadays has been, like, you've seen all over the world. It's even though when COVID is there, like, football is still happening. So it gives us joy. Even though we are at home, we still watch football every day, and it's good. It's good. Football is the best thing, I think, for me as well as a professional footballer. I think, you know, I don't have my... So, I think, you know, I finished my graduation, so I feel like, you know, there's no scope for me in anything in life, but I choose football as my career, so I didn't know that football would make me like this, would take me to this level, and I'm very happy and I'm very glad that I'm here. So nothing much, and I just want to wish the Fantasy Premier League Shillong season all the best for the upcoming season as well. So everyone is excited. The Premier League is starting soon by August 16, I think, if I'm not wrong. So the full season is coming. And I would like to congratulate the champion for the runners up and the third position. So yeah, that's all. Nothing much to say. I just want to wish all the best for the coming season.
As I said, football is a very complex sport. We know football as a race, but if you take the football to the other legs and bring you and celebrate their so this is
of all, I have to thank Level Up Shillong for conducting this wonderful tournament, wonderful fantasy league. This is essentially the biggest league in India and England. I also like to thank the organizers who have been in touch with me all the way from Kerala when I started the trip, and they made sure that I'm comfortable all the way. Stay here. So yeah, congrats to all other winners. Keep the fire going. Yeah, so that's all.
That's Archana Pai. Archana. Congratulations. So as you can see, there's very little difference between left fields calculated 2,649 and the winner calculated 2,721.
Trophy.